In this video, I'll show you how to animate an arrow in DaVinci Resolve using Fusion. First, make sure you're inside the Fusion page. Select your arrow graphic, then press Shift and Space to bring up the Select Tool menu. Search for Transform and add it to your node tree. In the inspector, find the Y position control. Click the keyframe button next to it to set your first keyframe at frame 1. Move the playhead forward about 20 frames, then adjust the Y position so the arrow moves upward. Next, move forward another 20 frames and reset the Y position back to 0.5. This creates a simple up and down motion. Continue repeating this process, moving forward in 20-frame intervals and adjusting the Y position until you've built the full duration of the movement you want. To smooth out the animation, go to the Spline panel. Check the box next to Transform, then click Zoom to Fit so you can see all your keyframes. Drag to select all of them, right-click, and choose Ease In and Out, then Cubic. This gives your arrow animation a natural, flowing bounce instead of a stiff movement. And that's it! You now have a clean, animated arrow inside Fusion.